Welcome back to my Carry Off from World.
And today we're going to be unboxing Burgkidz Toys building set. It's a 2-in-1 truck and concrete mixer truck with remote control. It has two models, Model A, Model B. Let's unbox. This is the remote control. Instructions. The remote controller. This bag. It contains wheels. You can try this. These have itty tiny pieces. So these are tiny pieces. They're really tiny.
These are big pieces.
Yes.
We don't know what this one is. So
This one is a bit bigger. This one are also a bit bigger than that one. Here's our mystery bag that we don't know what's inside.
let's open the mystery.
I'm gonna open it. Okay, Emma's gonna open it and I'm gonna take out what's inside.
Wait,
Okay,
what's
I'm gonna take
inside?
Whoa. This is the underbody. Look, you can kind of see wires. Oh wait, this is actually where we put the batteries in.
Can I see?
There's a little picture of a screwdriver.
Let's see.
See it? There's a little picture of it right there. So
Wait.
this is where we actually put the battery out.
Closer.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Now this is the remote control. My favorite, stickers. So this is the instructions. Here's the Model A, how to build Model A. And here's how to build Model B.
Now we're going to be building the mode A,
Which is a concrete mixer. Let's start building. This is actually starting to look like the front. Does this look like the front?
Yeah.
This goes here. Emily's playing a new game we made up. I'm just gonna feel good at this game. A chandelier made out of cement.
Put that on here.
Subscribe if you like pickles.
I'm going to subscribe.
I don't like pickles, but I still will subscribe.
Subscribe to me.
Time to put the wheels in. Okay, now we're done building Model A. Here it is.
Wait. Oh.
That's the gear. Ta-da! It's making cement. Bye-bye. So this is a remote control. This button, you could go forward and backwards. This one turns the wheel this way and that way. To make the wheels go, they have to use these levers at the same time. Watch this. Backwards.
Thank you. Yeah. And then there's another person coming.
So this is the side mirror. There are 2 seats. You can spin them. But you can also push them back in place. Here's a steering wheel. And here are the lights in here. Here's the back. The concrete mixer. And the thing, what's super cool about it? That it actually turns. And this thing moves. Let's start building. Mode B. There we go.
There are the wheels.
I'm so excited to put on the seats. This kind of looks like a battleship.
I just made a dragon. This is its mouth opening it at its mouth like this. And this is its tail, and this is its wings, this is its hands, and these are his legs.
Okay. You're trying to bully Snap.
I'm trying to get the sticker.
Da 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 da. And
Because these are protectable taste. Protectable, so.
yay! Pinnacle Master. Yay! Beep beep. Ta-da! This is me. This is Emily. Okay, wait, I want to show you. I want to show you guys something.
Too little.
Yay! This is the side mirror. And there. Little mirror, you can see it when you're like driving. We just put on the side mirror.
Snap.
Yeah! Then we're gonna have to pull them back to the roof part. That's just what I seen picture. And so like this. you start to put them together. I didn't look at the instructions. Now we're gonna make the wheels. I'll show you how to make something like that. So you're gonna need this. Stuck it inside. Now you see here, there's like this little band. You have to like make that band go in it.
All the wheels ready.
Yep. I can read your mind. You're thinking
I'm
of
running it.
your.
You're thinking my mind.
You are thinking of tacos. Yeah.
You're thinking of donuts and popsicles.
Guys, look what's inside the car. That's me.
That's me.
That's Emily and that's me. I'm driving. Did it. Now we're done building the mode truck. Now all we have to do is put some batteries in and test it. Backwards.
Can I try, Cat? We fell out, Cat. Cat, we fell out. Please.
The driver!
Cat. Cat, can I try?
Here.
Okay.
You have to
Crash.
Let's go.
Its body size is 26 by 12 by 17 centimeters. It comes with a 2.4 gigahertz remote control.
We hope you had fun building Burgkidz and toys, building blocks, 2-in-1 chocolate concrete mixer truck with remote control. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye! Oh! Don't forget to like and subscribe.